Hey Gabriel,
Hi.
what is this tape?
This is aluminium glass cloth tape.
Okay, and what is it made of?
This is made of aluminium and fiberglass cloths that
Okay.
is used in the HVAC industries.
Great. And is it available in Nigeria now?
Yes, ABRO fiberglass cloth tape is available in Nigeria. Like you know, ABRO is a known brand in over 150 countries with a trusted US brand, and we've made it available here in Nigeria, so it will serve all your HVAC needs. Thank you.